lineup is getting I just got rid of a bunch. Yeah, another one of these. I think I've seen 3. It's the 4th one this season. 3rd one of those this season. But that's not what we're working on today. I just picked up this in a Craftsman 1000 for free, of course. Free. And yeah. Oh, another thing that's crazy too. I had this really nice one of those newer T2200s, whatever, Craftsmans. I sold this thing back in 2018, and a guy got a hold of me, and same guy bought this from me 2018. He didn't realize it, but he bought I got one of those newer, like 2016 T2200. Really nice machine. Maybe I'll use that as the cover photo if I have one. But he gave me $1,000 and this tractor. Which, only thing wrong with this tractor was the gas drained into the oil. And he blew the head gasket. So I fixed all that up. The one tractor he got was a 19, same exact engine, but a 19. That's a good running tractor. So now I'll turn around, I'll probably sell this for at least $600, $650. I had a set of extra rims and tires off all that newer Alice Chalmers, which is the same as Simplicity I had earlier. I put the wheels on this one, and yeah, it's good to go. I got this one in for, I paid $50 for this one. No, I paid $100 for this one. It had a bad head gasket. They had cross-threaded the spark plug hole. I bought a tap, or I had my own taps, but I bought a spark plug tap, and no problem with that anymore. So he thought that was going to need a whole new head, and I just re-tapped the threads in the, well, actually it's more of a chaser, and it cleaned out the threads, and I just, works perfect. Spark plug's tight, runs good. It needed a blade, cuts good, everything works. Not a bad looking tractor. But I did I paid $100 for that one. This one I got, put an engine on it. It had a cooler on it that was blown, so I put a cooler on it that was good. And I already did the valve cover leak. I checked the bolts, tightened the bolts actually. I didn't just check them, I tightened them. And yeah, see, I thought this was an old tractor. You would think it's an older tractor. It is an older tractor, but I don't know if somebody switched the hood. No, I already tried to, one of the other hoods don't fit on here, so this is the hood. And 18.5 E-Tech. I've never seen one of these in a tractor this old. I thought somebody did an engine swap, but that is not the case. But came with a 3-bin bagger. This was free. I already fixed that, of course. That right there. It needed new blades, and the pulley there. Don't tell I'm thinking here. Very dry pulley. It's kind of, see, it needs new bearings. Engine runs great. This tractor right here is probably not worth even doing that to, because nobody will want it anyways, and it's kind of rough shape. That one runs. It's just been sitting there. I got this GT 5000 in. Only problem with this GT5000, I had to do the whole fuel system. There's water in the tank, so I had to remove the fenders, take out the tank, clean it out. Well, I just switched it because I had one that was already clean, so I switched it. Then I had to go through and change all the fuel lines in it, because that's a very common issue with these. You know, when I first got it though, I just went off, you know, I hooked a fuel bottle to the fuel pump and it ran great. As soon as I hooked up the back line, no bueno. So I just went through the whole fuel system, and now it runs, cuts. That's what it's supposed to do. I will take off those weights that came with it. I'll sell those in the winter time. I could let it go now, but I'll get an extra probably $100 for those weights in the winter, 150. So I won't let them go with it. Save that for a rainy day. This one came in, I don't even, man, I wish I even remember what I did to this. Carburetor work? Maybe? Looks like we got a little bit of a oil leak down here. Oh, it's coming out of either. It's coming out of this. Yeah. I don't know what. Oh, this one had an electrical problem. That's right. It was a starter. It was a solenoid. No, it wasn't a solenoid. I think it's just the starter was bad. I think it was the starter. I just remember having an electrical problem. And still haven't got to the John Deere yet. Yeah. This one too, engine runs rough, but it's not. I thought it was a loud exhaust, but I put a brand new exhaust on it and there's something else going on with it, probably internal. This one runs and cuts and does what it's supposed to. Just haven't moved it on yet. That's the other John Deere. And you know, we got some more back there. And this one, which is nice. Of course it has to have a damn cooler. Ooh, 722. Oh, we're gonna take that for a minute. I'm gonna put it in this one. That's my next project. That was gonna be today's project, but I don't really want to mess with a cooler. I'd rather work on the brakes today. And it came with that one right there. I paid $75 for the pair, so I mean, I could have got damn near $75 for that seat. So this tractor overall is going to look pretty nice. Hopefully I can save that cooler. You never know. Probably not. But alright, well I guess I'm going to end this video right here. Junk. And get working on this. Let me get the battery hooked up and I will start a new video and see what this thing does.